It's the Contender 44 FA. This has the triple 400 Verados. Forward here, you've got really nice woodwork on the forward seats. Each of these has armrests that pivots down. Got a second row of bench seating with armrests on the sides. In the cockpit area here, see this is set up for fishability. You've got storage here, rod holders, drink holders, live well in the back. Nice clean design, access to mechanicals and then cold boxes. Rod storage and outriggers up top. Nice, hardy stainless steel hardware here. Easy to walk around this. The gunnels are not too high on this. So nice platform, you could walk around the whole thing. Flush cleats here, access to the windlass and anchor. Really a slick, streamlined look and feel on this boat. LED light bars, open array radar on the front. Definitely a lot of good fishability on this thing.